Okay, now I finished making all my AC hoses as well as plumbing up the overflow bottle for the radiator. So I'm basically finished with all the plumbing in the front of the car. Alright, I've got my lines in. They're not completely in. I don't have the O-rings. They're not sealed or anything. But they're all have been installed. Goes right down through there. Goes right there. See the line going in? Kind of goes in at an angle. Comes inside the car here. It's all black, so it's hard to see, but it goes on a loop clamp here. It comes back, loop clamp here. Goes under this member and comes all the way through to the back. Now the other hose too, the low pressure side, the number 10 hose, it goes here and it makes a loop along the same angle as the air conditioning or the heater core lines. So it comes right up through here. It's got a loop clamp there, loop clamp there. Loop clamps holding it all in place. And it comes up through here. And I've got this edging that I'm getting ready to pull up over the top of here, but it ties in here. So everything's plumbed up now for the air conditioner. And so now I just have to work on this little bottle here. And I got this old bottle out of a 96 ES300. That's a mount point, and this is a mount point right here. So those are intact, so I was able to do a little work to go ahead and get some brackets started. This thing will fit right in here. So once I got some brackets fixed up on this, I had ordered the tank the other day and I finally got it in. So here's the tank, and here's the brackets I made. This one's just got a little rubber grommet in it. This has a U-bolt just to a piece of angle. It's got a little rubber fuel line over it holding it in place. So these two, this will fit right down in here, and I'm getting ready to mark where these little brackets go and try to get her nice and straight. Okay, I've been working out here, slowly positioning these two brackets. This bracket here is just an angle bracket that's got this U-bolt through it. It's got two screws here through the sheet metal holding the one end of the tank in place. Then there's the little step bracket I made. It's got a screw there and a screw on this side. So it all fits good. It's lined up real nicely. Pretty sturdy. Alright, so that's done. Now what I've got to do is go ahead and take these brackets out, clean them up, paint them, cut this U-bolt off a little bit, make it look a little better. I'm also going to go ahead and take this bracket off here, my throttle cable, and I'm going to try to lube the throttle cable and then paint that piece and get everything put back together. My brackets all painted up, ready to go on. Yeah, so I'm getting ready to put it in there. Okay. I basically have all the plumbing finished in the front end. This bottle is in. Battery's just sitting in there for now. That's the next thing I have to do, is all the electrical. So all the plumbing is finished. I've got my throttle cable lubed and back in, and I'm attaching it here with some little stainless steel ties through here. It works really good. So basically next thing I need to do is I'm going to go ahead and pull the radiator back off now that I've got every line hooked to everything. This right here is figured. It goes down through, down to the bottom. So all the plumbing is finished in the front. So I'll pull the radiator and then I'll go in there and work on the electrical.